If you have all over the world, you are welcome to Toy Online class. Today we want to look at a further example on logarithm. The question says that given that log p, that is, we are given that log p plus 2 is 8 plus log q 8 is equal to r minus 1 over 3. You can call that equation 1. And log p minus 2 base 2 minus log q 2 is equal to 2r plus 1. You can call that equation 2 because there are two equations here. We want to show that, we are asked to show that p squared is equal to 4 plus 32 raised per r. And we are also given that if r is equal to 1, once we've shown this, we find the value of p and q. So what do we do here? How do we approach this question? Of course, it's very simple. We apply the law of logarithm here. So if you apply the law of logarithm, when we have addition, we multiply. So we are going to have log p plus q multiplied by q. They have the same base, 8 is equal to r minus 1 over 3. Okay? And I can change this to the, if you look at my videos on the introduction to logarithm, I can change this as, when I want to write this in the index form, I will say p plus q multiplied by q is equal to 8 raised to power r minus 1 over 3. I can do that, converting logarithm form to index form. So I can do this. I can call this equation 3. Since I've been able to rewrite this, I can call it equation 3. Then I go to this second one. Of course, I've been able to rewrite this to this. So I go to this second one. This is the minus, so I'm going to use division. This is addition, I use multiplication. This is division. I'm going to have log p minus 2 all over q base 2 to be equal to 2r plus 1. Of course, if I do the same thing here, I'm going to have p minus 2 all over q to be equal to 2 whole number, 2 raised to power 2r plus 1. That's what I'm going to get. I can call this equation 4. Let me call this equation 4. Okay? Here should be equation 4. Then I'm going to multiply equation 3. No, because these are simultaneous equation. There are two equations simultaneously. So I want to solve this simultaneously now. I will now say equation 4 is equation 3 multiplied by equation 4. If I do that, the left hand side to left hand side, that is, in this case now, I'm going to have p plus q multiplied by q, then dot connotes multiplication multiplied by p minus 2 all over q will be equal to the right hand side, where I have 8 raised to power r minus 1 over 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2r plus 1. That's what I'm going to get. Okay? That is what I'm going to get. Then from there, q can cancel q, so that I will have p plus q here. I have p plus q here. Okay? P plus q into bracket p minus 2 to be equal to, I can write 2 as index of 3, 2 raised to power 3 into bracket r minus 1 over 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2r plus 1. That's what we are going to get. So I just want us to follow this stepwisely. Let's follow it step by step. So p plus 2. So this first one is p plus 2, not plus q. This is p plus 2. P plus 2. Here is p plus 2. Okay? P plus 2. This is p plus 2. So I have p plus 2. So this is difference of 2 squared. And if I open up, if I expand this, I'm going to have p squared minus 4 here. Because p times p squared. P times 2 minus 2p. P times this plus 2p. Minus 2p we cancel plus 2p. Then I'm going to have here this same thing as, if I expand this, I'm going to have 2 raised to power 3r. 3 multiplied by this minus 1. This is what I'm going to get. Multiplied by 2 raised to power 2r plus 1. So from there, I'm going to have p squared minus 4 to be equal to 2 raised to, this dot connotes multiplication. I will add the power together. They have the same base. 3r minus 1 plus 2r plus 1. Minus 1 will take care of plus 1. So I have p squared minus 4 to be equal to 2 raised to power 5r. Then p squared can be equal to 4 plus 2 raised to power 5r. And that is what we are asked to show. So this is what we are asked to show. This is what we are asked to show. And of course, no, we just have one step. One step before that. That is, we have p squared minus 4 to be equal to 2 raised to power 5r. Then 2 raised to power 5. This same thing as p squared minus 4 to be equal to 2 raised to power 5 is this same thing as 2 raised to power 5 into bracket r, law of indices. 2 raised to power 5 is 32. So I have 32 raised to power r. So that p squared is equal to 4 plus 32 raised to power r. This is what we are asked to show. And that's what we have shown. So we are able to do the first part of the question. We now go to the second one. The question says that if r is equal to 1, that is, if r is equal to 1, what will happen then? P squared will be equal to 4 plus 32. R, when r is equal to 1, 32 raised by 1, which is same thing as 34. That will be 4 plus 32. Then p squared is equal to 36. Then p squared is equal to 6 raised by 2. The power are equal, you equate the base. Therefore, p is equal to 6. P is equal to 6. Then how do we get cube? We use either equation 3 or equation 4. Let me use equation 4. Since I have that on the board, I will say substitute p is equal to 6 into